What's up guys, it's Clyde here. Today we have two Shuriken car audio batteries, the SK BT20. We're gonna open it up and see how it looks like. Okay, both of them up. Alrighty. They come with stainless steel nuts. Stainless steel, not nuts, but stainless steel lock washers and bolts. Alrighty. I wish they'd come with some Shuriken decals, but they don't. Alrighty. Pretty small and compact batteries. I plan on running these both side by side like this, and I'm attaching bus bars to them. I'll probably have to get some washers, buy some stainless steel washers to take up this gap from this height of this terminal to bring it up to the same level as the height of this battery for all of it, so I can run the bus bars across the top. Then I'm gonna make aluminum, 1/4-inch aluminum flat bus bars. So I have to bring the get some stainless steel washers, bring it up to this height, so I can bring it to the level of this, put the bus bars right across the top of this and this side, and hook up the Sky High Car Audio 106 terminal power, negative and positive power terminals to the bus bar that I'm gonna fabricate to attach these two batteries together and bring up the height with some stainless steel washers or aluminum washers from this up to the height of this battery. This with all both sides, positive, negative and positive, bring it to the height of this using some washers, and then run the bus bars across the top here. But this battery is 20 amp hours, both of them. Yeah, 600 watts. Kind of narrow batteries. Look like about estimate it looked like about maybe 7 inches, 6.5 to 7 inches tall, look roughly, and about 3 inches thick. Length is about maybe 7 inches long. Yeah, there you have it. It's a Shuriken SK BT 20 amp hours, 600 watt AGM battery, two of them. Non-spillable. Right there, Shuriken high performance batteries, SK BT20. Two of it is gonna be put in my new project that I'm gonna do. It's gonna be powering the Crescendo Audio Concerto C1600.2. Gonna be running at mono, 1600 watts. Connect them to these two batteries, and I'm gonna be pushing four 15-inch SCAR IVXs in my new Jeep Grand Cherokee 2004 that I just purchased sometime last year when I moved back to Hawaii from Ohio. Yep, got that 2004 Cherokee about less than a month after I moved back to Hawaii from Ohio, and started ordering some of my car audio stuff that I'm gonna build my new system with, since I moved back and sold my Oldsmobile 88 with my SCAR SK 4500 and that Shuriken battery with the Stinger battery under the hood, high output alternator, and that C2 Audio Threadcon 412s that I had. Sold it all together with the car and moved back to Hawaii. Bought a Jeep 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and now starting off new again, buying new stuffs. Gonna be running four 15-inch SCAR IVXs in it, and these are the two batteries gonna be pushing that Crescendo Concerto C1600.2 1600 RMS, 800 watts by 2, and it has more than enough power to push the four 15s, which are 300 RMS each. So there you have it, guys. Shuriken SK BT20 600 watt AGM batteries.